Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the recovery process isn't interrupted. First, make sure your device runs a compatible OS and that you have sufficient storage. Low space breaks installs. Next, sign into your primary account, Google or Apple ID, because app restorations tie to that account. Once done, enable backups and connect to Wi-Fi. This keeps downloads stable and avoids cellular charges. Finally, plug in your charger to prevent shutdowns during long restores. This sets you up for the next steps. You will now perform the central recovery actions. Open your platform's app store and search for the Gallery app, confirming the developer to avoid imposters. If the app appears installed but broken, go to Settings, Apps, then Clear Cache and Data. Next, uninstall updates to revert to a stable version and reinstall from the store. If the app is missing, download the official APK from a trusted source on Android or install a reputable alternative from the store. Make sure permissions are granted afterward so media shows up. Finish by rescanning your media library so the gallery recognizes images and videos. You can trigger this via Settings or a file manager by moving files into DSIM or Pictures. Once done, reboot the device to apply changes, then confirm gallery permissions for storage and photos. If you used cloud backup, restore albums now and check thumbnails. Troubleshooting tip: if the gallery still fails, reset app preferences or perform a selective restore from your most recent backup. That often resolves persistent permission or indexing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.